How do I mirror my laptop screen to a monitor using HDMI?
Hello, viewers. In today's guide, we'll be discussing a quick and easy method to mirror your laptop screen to an external monitor using HDMI. This is an essential skill for presentations, gaming, or just enjoying content on a larger screen. Let's dive right in.
What do you need?
Before we begin, let's ensure we have everything needed. Laptop with an HDMI output. External monitor with an HDMI input. An HDMI cable.
Setting up the hardware.
1. Turn off both your laptop and the monitor. This prevents any sudden signal changes. 2. Connect the HDMI cable to both the laptop's HDMI output and the monitor's HDMI input. 3. Power on the external monitor and then your laptop.
Configuring the display settings on your laptop.
For most laptops, the display might auto-adjust. If not, here's what you need to do. Windows, 1. Right-click on the desktop and choose Display Settings. 2. Scroll down and you'll see multiple displays. Click on Duplicate under the Multiple Displays drop-down. 3. Ensure the display resolution matches what's supported by both your laptop and the monitor. 4. Apply the changes. macOS, 1. Go to the Apple menu and select System Preferences. 2. Click on Displays and then Arrangement. 3. Drag the display icons to match your physical setup. 4. Ensure the Mirror Displays checkbox is checked.
Troubleshooting common issues.
1. No signal. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the laptop and monitor. Also, check that the monitor is set to the correct HDMI input source. 2. Mismatched resolution. Go back to Display Settings and adjust the resolution to one supported by both devices. 3. Audio issues. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, choose Playback Devices, and ensure the HDMI output is set as the default. On macOS, go to System Preferences, Sound Greater Than Output and select the HDMI option. There you have it. You should now be able to seamlessly mirror your laptop screen to an external monitor using HDMI. Enjoy your expanded viewing experience. We hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, thanks for tuning in.